Hi everyone and welcome back to 2 Minute English. In today's episode, you will learn 3 very common slang expressions that native speakers use in everyday conversation. Let's get started. Number 1. What have you been up to? What have you been up to means what have you been doing recently. It is informal and friendly, and we often use it when we meet someone after some time. For example, hey, I haven't seen you for a while. What have you been up to? Not much, I've been studying and working. You can answer with, I've been busy with work, I've been traveling, or not much, really. The second one, no big deal. No big deal means it is not important or it is okay. We use it when something is small or not a problem. For example, sorry, I'm late. No big deal. Thanks for your help. No big deal. So it means it's not a problem. The third one, chill out. Chill out means relax or calm down. It is informal and often used with friends. For example, chill out, everything's fine. You look nervous, just chill out. Be careful. With the wrong tone, it can sound rude. Use it politely. Now, listen and repeat. What have you been up to? No big deal. Chill out. Great job. That's all for today's episode of 2 Minute English. Like, share and subscribe for more short and useful English lessons. See you in the next episode.